Hi, my name is Kevin. I'm the owner of Veteran Air Conditioning, and I'd like to take a moment to thank you for your business. At Veteran Air Conditioning, our customer service is so important to us, we want to make sure that we're taking care of our customers like they deserve. By clicking on the link below, if we've done a great job for you, please let us know. But if for some reason you weren't satisfied, please click on the Not Satisfied button and let me know how I can better serve you. I'd be honored to have the opportunity to make everything right for you. Again, at Veteran Air Conditioning, we thank you for your continued business and we look forward to serving you in the future.